Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency, where we make learning Japanese fun and easy. I'm Reg, and in today's lesson, we're diving into GLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation Lesson 3. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on your grammar skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some essential grammar points that will help you on your journey to mastering Japanese. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Hajime mashou. Ichiban, koko, soko, asoko. Kochira, sochira, achira. The demonstratives kore, sore, and are that are discussed in lesson 2 refer to a thing, while koko, soko, and asoko refer to a place. Koko is the place where the speaker is. Soko is the place where the listener is, and asoko is the place far from both the speaker and the listener. Kochira, sochira, and achira are demonstrative words referring to direction. Kochira, sochira, and achira are also used to refer to location, in which case they are politer than koko, soko, and asoko. Note: when the speaker regards the listener as sharing his or her territory, the place where they both are is designated by the word koko. Under this situation, soko designates the place a little distance from the speaker and listener, and asoko designates an even more distant location. Nibang, noun 1 wa, noun 2 des. Using the sentence pattern, you can explain where a place, a thing, or a person is. For example, Ote arai wa asoko desu. The restroom is there. Denwa wa 2階 desu. The telephone is on the second floor. Yamada-san wa jimonsho desu. Mr. Yamada is in the office. Sangbang, doko, dochira. Doko means where, and dochira means which direction. Dochira can also mean where, in which case it's politer than doko. For example, Ote arai wa doko desu ka? Where's the restroom? Asoko desu. It's there. Elevator wa dochira desu ka? Where's the elevator? Achira desu. It's in that direction, or it's there. Doko and dochira are used to ask about the name of a country, company, school, or organization a person belongs to. Dochira is more polite than doko. None, what cannot be used in this context. For examples, Gaku wa doko desu ka? What's the name of your school? Keisho wa dochira desu ka? What company do you work for? Yobang, noun 1, no, noun 2. When noun 1 is the name of a country and noun 2 is a product, noun 2 is made in that country. When noun 1 is the name of a company and noun 2 is a product, noun 2 is made by that company. In this structure, doko is used to ask where or by whom noun 2 is made. For example, Kore wa doko no computer desu ka? Where is this computer made? Who is the maker of this computer? Nihon no computer desu. It's made in Japan. IMC no computer desu. IMC is. Gobang, ko, so, a, Do. System of demonstrative words. Ko series refers to things close to the speaker. So series refers to things close to the listener. A series refers to things far from both the speaker and the listener. Do series used for questions. These are the table for the ko, so, a, do system of demonstrative words. For ko series, kore, kono, noun, kokono, koko, kochira, kochira. So series, sore, sono, noun, soko no, soko, sochira, sochira. A series, are, ano, noun, asoko no, asoko, achira, achira. Do series, dore, dono, noun, doko no, doko, dochira, dochira. Rokubang, o prefix. The prefix o is added to a word concerning the listener or a third person to express the speaker's respect to the person. For example, o konniwa, dochira desu ka? Where are you from? Thank you for watching, and that wraps up today's lesson on JLPT in 5 grammar. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you feel more confident in your Japanese studies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to review these points and try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Matane!